Together, we could implement a solid lending platform, configured to your needs, and driven by rules. White Clarke Group can help you boost your floor plan operation. Our Comms Compass software is ready out of the box as part of an integrated software ecosystem, scaling effortlessly from niche business lines to large enterprise. Lenders will appreciate the risk management tools and will be assured by rigorous accounting controls. Comms Compass also handles sophisticated program terms and billing, and delivers exceptional customer service with the dealer and supplier portal. Automate all aspects of your floor plan processes from onboarding, credit management, portfolio management, through to billing and collection. Make it happen today. Contact us to book a demo.